name is Andrea Mirales, and today I'm going to talk about Group 4A of the periodic table, also known as Group 14 of the carbon family. First, the place in the periodic table is in the Group 14 P block, and the elements found across different periods are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, and the synthetic element that is called flerovium. And now the characteristics of this family are that all these elements have 4 valence electrons, which means they can form 4 covalent compounds. As we move down the group, the metallic character increases and their activity decreases. So carbon is a non-metal, silicon and germanium are metalloids and work as semiconductors, and the lead and the tin are metals, and they often show more of 4 and plus 2 oxidation states, and their melting points go down as we go down the group. So these elements are very important in life, industry, and technology. Thank you for your attention.
Well, here I'm going to talk about the physical and chemical properties of the group 4. First, we have the physical properties that are that elements go from non-metal to metal down the group. Also, the melting and boiling points are high at the top and decrease down the group. The electrical conductivity does too, increases down the group, and they are all solids at room temperature. Then we have the chemical properties that all have 4 valence electrons, so they commonly share like 4 covalent bonds. Then we have the carbon and silicon that are the mostly covalent compounds, and then the tin and lead that form ionic and metallic compounds too. Acid oxides at the top and basic down the group. Also, the carbon can form strong double, triple bonds, but this ability decreases down the group. A fun fact is that the carbon that is the first of the group, the first element, can form like multiple organisms compounds. Like this can go from DNA to plastics and fuels.
Group 4A, known as carbon or carbonoids, is located in the 14th column of the periodic table. The elements that compose it are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and lead. The electron configuration of this group, starting with carbon, with an atomic number of 6, and an electron configuration starting with helium, then 2s2 and 2p2. Then with silicon, with an atomic number of 14, starting with an electron configuration with neon, 3s2, 3p2. Then germanium, with an atomic number of 32, starting with argon, 3d10, 4s2, 4p2. Then tin, with an atomic number of 50, with an electron configuration starting with krypton, then 4d10, 5s2, 5p2. Then with lead, with an atomic number of 82 and an electron configuration starting with xenon, then 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p2. We choose element tellurium. Tellurium has 52 protons and 52 electrons, and the number of neutrons varies depending on the isotope, being 72, 73, or 76. For the isotope 124T, 125T, and 126T, respectively, the average atomic mass of tellurium is approximately 127.60. A fun fact or a fact about tellurium is that tellurium is a rare silvery white metalloid with atomic number 52 and symbol Te. It's a brittle, mildly toxic element that's more that is more common in the universe than in Earth.